Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I did my passport makeup. I will show you what my old one was. Oh my god, I was so young here. I can't even remember how old I was, but oh my god, I'm so skinny in that picture. I guess this was in 2012, so I was 16. Or 15. But yeah, anyway, so this is going to be the look for today. You can use it for a passport, driver's license, health card, any kind of... No, you could even wear this every day. This is such a pretty look. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, so stay tuned to the end of the video where I show you how my passport picture actually turned out. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Stay tuned to the end. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, SamiambeautyX. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face just with my Fix Plus. Today I'm going to be using my Matchmaster MAC foundation in 1.5 and the usual Pro Longwear concealer in NC20. I'm going in with the Pierre banana setting powder and just kind of dusting this under my eyes, around my mouth a little bit, and a little bit in between my brows and on my forehead. I also set this on my eyes for a base for my eyeshadow to blend nicely. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX contour kit. I'm going to go in with this one and this one right here. Kind of just going to carve out the cheekbones. I'm really taking my time blending that out. And just bronzing up the forehead a little bit. And oh my god, as always, just contouring the nose and the jaw. I am going to be using my Ardell Dark Brown Brow Pomade. And I show it in my eyebrow video, so I will link it up here. And I'm just going to skip through this because it takes way too long. So I'm basically just going to take my fluffy crown brush that I use in like every single video, and I'm just going to take Buck from the original Naked palette. I'm just going to put that in the crease with most product at the outer corner of my eye. And I'm also going to take that color under my eye. And then just with my finger, I'm going to take Half Baked, which is that golden shade. I'm going to put it on my lid. And then with my Bogashi eyeshadow brush, it's like a flat kind of fluffy brush, I'm going to take the color Smog, which is like the more bronzy tone. I'm just going to put that on the outer lid space. And then I'm also just going to take a Half Baked to kind of blend that transition. And then I'm going to apply some eyeliner by Skone Cosmetics on the top, just really thin on the lash line, and then I'm also going to apply some mascara, and I'll be back to finish off the face. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm in a huge rush, so I'm just going to quickly finish off the face. So I'm going to go in with the Balm Voyage Kuwakaribisha eyeshadow slash highlighter, and I'm just going to apply this on my face, on the high points. I'm going to add the Amazonian Clay Blush in Feisty. It's just a really nice, soft, pretty pink color. So I'm just going to add my Mellow Cosmetics lipstick in Posh, and I'm just going to spray my face. And this is my finished look. It's like a neutral glam. It's not natural glam because this doesn't look natural, but it's a neutral glam, which I really like. And I will show you how the photo turned out. This is what my passport photo looks like. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below for what you want to see next. And what else? Follow my Instagram, SamiamBeautyX, and I will see you in the next one. Sorry, I'm just gonna have to wait for this to dry. I should have primed before I started filming. Oh well.
God, I need a mirror. Why do I always think I can do this without a mirror?
My face is breaking out and I don't know why. Actually, I probably just need to wash my brushes. So I am going to be using my Ardell dark brown.
Where'd it go?
My hair was so poofy yesterday. Couldn't get it to cooperate, but yeah, whatever. It's fine.